Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install and get started with Jupyter Notebooks on Mac. Now let's dive into what Jupyter Notebooks are and how they can help you. Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application that allows you to create and share documents containing live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. It's widely used in data science for data cleaning, transformation, statistical modeling, machine learning, and more. Using Jupyter Notebooks to explore data and create proofs of concept before moving on to full-scale production projects is a great way to use them. Jupyter supports various programming languages, but Python is the most commonly used and recommended for beginners. To install Jupyter Notebook on Mac, Anaconda is the most widely recommended way, since it bundles Python and Jupyter Notebook together with other data science tools. Open your browser and go to anaconda.com. Scroll down and click on Download. Choose the version for the Mac OS. Now you'll download the installer, which is around 600 megabytes, and run the file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. You should install Anaconda in the default directory unless you have a specific reason not to. This will help you avoid potential configurations issues later. Some users might encounter security settings that prevent installation. If prompted, go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy, and click on Open Anyway to allow the installation. To start using Jupyter, open the terminal on your Mac. Use the cd command to change the directory where you want to create or access notebooks. Now run the command Jupyter Notebook. This command launches the Jupyter Notebook server. A new browser window will open up, showing the notebook dashboard. Keep the terminal running while you work with Jupyter Notebook to maintain server access. Now in the dashboard, just click on the New button and select Python 3 from the drop-down menu to create a new notebook. Notebooks are saved with the IPYNB extension. They can also contain both code and text, which is useful for documentation and explanations. Notebooks currently running will display a green icon at the dashboard, while non-running ones will appear grey. To avoid clutter, keep track of your open notebooks. Open only what you need and shut down the rest to save memory. To shut down a running notebook, go to the dashboard, find the running notebook, and click Shut Down. To stop the Jupyter Notebook server completely, go to the terminal and press Ctrl+C twice. This will end the server session and close any open notebook. Always properly shut down notebooks and the server to avoid losing any unsaved work. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.